Well, well, some late arrivals.
Sorry, we had a little problem on the way in.
Jack got a ticket.
Really? My student assistant got a ticket on his way to driver's ed class.
It's no big deal, just a speeding ticket. Did you still want to talk to me about the game?
Well, let's find out if you're even going to make it to the game. Can we talk about your ticket?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, since you're under the age of 18, you'll have to appear in court with one of your parents. And unless you decide to contest the ticket, you'll have to pay a fee, and it will go on your driving record. The DMV will send you a warning letter, and your insurance rates may shoot up.
Wow, all that for one little ticket?
Mm-hmm.
What would happen if someone had more than one ticket?
Are we talking about someone in particular?
Well, I got pulled over last week for not stopping all the way at a stop sign.
Jack, okay. In addition to paying another fine, your insurance rates are going to shoot way up, and the DMV is going to restrict your license to permit status for 30 days.
Permit status? You mean I would have to have one of my parents with me in order to drive?
Exactly, or another licensed driver over the age of 25.
What am I going to do about baseball practice? If I can't drive by myself, I can't stay late for practice.
Oh, well, I guess it's time for me to look for another starting pitcher.
Ooh, Jack's baseball days are numbered.
That's okay. You can use extra time to get a job to pay off those tickets.
Yeah, if he can find a job he can ride his bike to.
Hey, knock it off. Coach, what can I do?
Well, there is traffic school. It'll keep one ticket off your record, and it should keep you on the road, but you can only do that once every 18 months.
Great. Where do I sign up?
Well, you're under the age of 18, so the court will have to decide whether or not you can even attend. All right, so we got a test Friday. Are there any questions?